For how long has this been going on?
It was just once. My dear sister, I'm not lying to you. It was just once. You can call Haji and ask him.
How much were you paid?
₦7 million.
Transfer the money into my account.
All right, ma. I'll make the transfer.
You have my details, don't you?
I do.
I'll be waiting.
Mama JJJ. Mama JJJ. Mama JJJ. Mama JJJ. This is hook up. Mama J and her guest on the hookah. Oh my God, sweet, sweet, beautiful girls.
What are you doing?
I'm obviously going to transfer the money to her.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
How are you, darling?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wait. What? Listen, I'm thinking about something.
What are you thinking about?
I think you're actually under a spell.
Jackie, can you just stop this joke? What do you mean I'm under a spell? How is that?
Posh, this isn't funny at all. You are actually under a spell.
I am not under a spell.
If you're not under a spell, why then do you want to transfer the money to her? No, you want to make the whole transfer to her. Why? No, I need to know why. Wait a minute. You know when you told her that you were going to make the transfer, I thought you were trying to play a smart one on her, yeah? But now it's beginning to make sense to me that something is actually not right with you.
Hello. I'm sure you can recall everything that happened. This is her man I slept with, her money bag. And you're saying it's no fault of mine. Jackie Biko, please, I don't want trouble. Let me just transfer the money. You know who Elizzy J is. I don't want her trouble. Let me just transfer the money to her. And everybody will be fine.
Really?
Yes, really.
Girl, I won't let you do that. I'm sorry. Oh yes. You are not making this transfer.
Jackie.
How is it your fault? No. Let's judge it this way. How is it your fault? It's not your fault. If there's anybody to be blamed here, it should be the man. And herself for not playing her game well. Because if she had played her game as the almighty Mama J she claims she is, this whole thing will not be happening. So how is it your fault? No, how is it your fault?
Okay, but please can I have my phone? I don't want issues with her.
I'm sorry, girlfriend. I won't let you do that. You go tell her that I said so. If her charm or whatever they are using to control you has caught up with you, not with me, I am still using my senses and my eyes. I am still staying clear. You're not making that transfer. And that's on period. Sorry.
Jackie.
Guess you're ready for the hookah. The men are waiting for you. I know I love you, but no one goes out without my consent. Mama J, Mama J.
Should I serve you food?
Not to worry, I'm okay.
You can go to bed.
Good night.
Good night.
Mama J J J. Mama J J J. Mama J J.
Yes, hello, auntie. Hello? Yes, I heard you. Nothing. I'll do it tonight.
This is hookup business. Mama J and her guest on the hookup. Oh my God, sweet, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls, classic girls, they are ready for hookup. Call Mama J to avoid problems. Push baby, baby, push baby, 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 push baby, baby, push baby, baby, baby. I guess you're ready for the hookup. The men are waiting for you. I know we're loaded, but no one goes out without my consent. Mama J, 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 Mama J.
Watch. Please talk to me.
My cousin has found out.
That what happened?
That we met again.
Is that why you're looking this cold?
Alaji, please be serious. She's my cousin and you don't expect me to...
And what?
Anyway, she asked me to give her the money you gave to me.
Why will you give her that money?
I wouldn't know.
She's even the one calling.
Please, don't tell her we are together. Please.
Oh, hello? I am not at home now. I went out. I'll be back in 1 hour time. Yeah, I'll be there, yes. Okay. That's okay.
What did she say?
That she wants to see me.
Okay, that's fine, but whatever it is, I don't want her to know that we met again. Please.
But don't give her a dime. Don't give her a dime from that money. Don't try it.
Guess you're ready for the hookup. The men are waiting for you. I know we're loaded, but no one goes out without my consent. Mama J, 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 Mama J. Iba baba iba. Mama J, J, J. Ane kucha bolonya walwa. Mama J, J, Mama J. I'm a lazy. Mama J, 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 Mama J. Mama J, J, J. Mama J J J. Mama J J J. Mama J J J. This is hookup business. Mama J and her guest on the hookup. Oh my God. Sweet, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls. Classic girls, they are ready for hookup. Call Mama J to avoid problems. Push baby, baby, push baby, baby, baby.
You said in an hour's time. What kept you? Sweet, that question is no longer important, okay? I'm here already, so what is it? You slept with her again. Don't lie to me. Answer my question. Yes, I did.
Again?
Yes, again.
Alaji, you're really good. How could you be this careless? Have you forgotten that she's my cousin's sister?
Well, sweet, that was just a small hookup, okay?
First one, 5 million naira, and the second one, you call it a hookup? Really?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. That won't happen again, okay?
How much did you pay her? Don't lie to me because I know everything. How much?
7 million.
I want that 7 million naira transferred into my account today.
Oh, no, sweet. No, sweet.
Oh, please don't sweet me.
Oh, yeah, instead, just leave that money for her, okay? Instead, I'll give you another one.
No. I want this particular 7 million naira transferred into my account. And now.
No, sweet, stop.
Today. Make her do that.
Stop.
Oh, please leave me. Make her do that.
Oh, sweet, now. Sweet, stop. I'll give you another one. Stop.
I said I want that 7 million naira transferred into my account. Make her do it. Now get out. Get down from my car. Out!
This fight is dangerous. Don't fight. This war will be deadly. Don't fight yourself. Best cousins, sisters, turn towards the enemy. No mercy, we are no more because of what you are. No mercy, we are no more love because of what. No mercy, we are no more love. They got the two cousins, sisters that we are proud of. No mercy, we are no more love. You have crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister.
Hello?
I must deal
I'm
with
here.
you. You have got more than you can chew. Face to face, we go fight up to the end. Bumper to bumper, mamba. The battle line.
You're welcome. You don't want to come inside?
No. Alaji called you, right?
No, he did not.
Why haven't you transferred the money?
Excuse me? What money?
The 7 million naira.
Well, let's say I changed my mind.
You changed your mind?
You heard me right. Do I owe you money?
Excuse me?
Ejimguwo. Do I have your money with me? Why are you pestering my life?
Did you just ask me that question?
Of course I did. Because I don't know why a greedy lot like you will see a young girl who has gone for a hookup and you're asking for the whole money she got from that.
Really?
Did I work for you? Did I work for you? Were you the one who went to do the job? Now you the job? Why would you want to collect money that you did not work for?
Really?
Really?
Are you saying all this? Are you?
Of course you didn't hear me speak Spanish. I spoke English, Elizabeth.
Posh. Posh.
Elizabeth.
Let me pretend I didn't hear you. I won't ask for this money again.
And please, don't even try to. Because you wouldn't get a dime from me.
Really? The next time I will come for this money. We will see.
No, please get out. Hey, Aaron, get the gate. Let that shithole get out of my compound. And listen to me. The next time she comes into this compound, you would live with her. Good riddance to bad rubbish. I thought you wanted 7 million naira. Come get the money. Bastard.
This fight is dangerous. Don't fight. This war will be deadly. Don't fight yourself. Best cousins, sisters, turn towards the enemy. No mercy. We are no more because of what you are.
I need to be left alone.
Okay, but you are not.
Are you deaf?
We are no more love because of what? No mercy. We are no more love. They got the two cousins, sisters that we are proud of. No mercy. No mercy. No more love.
Someone is behind her guts.
Whoever it is, I don't care. If she doesn't do as I said, I will personally deal with her.
Mama, she has no reason not to do as you said.
Tell her that I am giving her 48 hours. If I don't see any alert on my phone, I will remind her that I brought her to the city and taught her how to use her visa hole to make money. Tell her that.
Jackie is misleading Posh.
Do I care? No. Do I look like I care? Do I? Oh, fuck a guy.
Be contented with what you have, cause good things never come in a comfort zone. Just go out and walk a very good walk. There are things you cannot show or tell someone, not even your blood, no your siblings. If alone no make one year, una kutoka familia na if I want to go zona fia if alone no make one if alone no make one if I want to go zona fia Okwasinu kocharacha andige chwechu and macho eku feda will ever remember.
How are you?
Fine.
When did you get here?
Not quite.
Did anyone send you here and you came all by yourself?
I just came.
Geraldine, Let me see you inside.
Have I done anything wrong?
Let me not teach this idiot a lesson. Why would you slap me? If you don't coordinate, I will slap you again and again. Elizabeth, or whatever they call you. You know I have addressed you as Mama J this whole time. And that was because I had some sort of respect for you. But now let me make this clear to you. If you as much as come an inch close to me again, I will tell you that Obi is no longer a boy.
Whatever Obi is, Okoli akali onye kolia.
Makano chakale kaisi. Omia mbebe. That thing is so. Really?
Yes, sir.
I will bury you.
Elizabeth,
ask the little fool.
Solina, I will bury you in this town.
Bury me. Look at me.
I will bury you.
You cannot.
I will bury you in this town.
I will
tell you that I taught you this business.
That's the thing. You will not try.
Rubbish.
That's enough. I'm talking to you, boss. She's okay.
Leave my house.
This minute. I should leave your house. Elizabeth, I have served you all my life. I have loved you like a sister would love another. What else did you want from me? My life? Which I would have gladly given to you. But looking at how little you have brought yourself, I would not even as much give you my feet.
Get out.
I'm leaving.
Get out!
Push, wait.
Get out!
Mama J.
Shut your mouth.
You have crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister. I must deal with you. You have got more than you can chew. Face to face, we go fight up till the end. Bumper to bumper, mamba. The battle line is strong. The war has just started. You are my enemy from now. No mercy. We are no more because of what you are. No mercy. We are no more love because of what? No mercy. We are no more love. Cousins, sisters, that we're proud of. No mercy. No mercy. No love. You have grown weak. You want to take what belongs to me, but that cannot happen. I was in this game before you enter. I am Mama J. After me, Nami. I must show you. Nami be the master. Face me, I face you. One on one, I no go wrong. Do me, I do you. One on one, now you go cry. The war is just starting. I never start at all. If you see my true color, the malon number the master. Face me, I face you. One on one, I no go wrong. Do me, I do you. One on one, now you go cry. Best cousins, sisters, turn to what's their name. No mercy, we are no more because of what you are. No mercy, we are no more love because of what? No mercy, we are no more love. Cousins, sisters, that we're proud of. No mercy, no mercy.
My girl for life. My girls for life. If it ain't you, baby, it can't be anybody else, girl. You girls got my back, and I got your back. We got you. Yeah, I die for it.
I will tell them that I am still Liz J. I will teach Paulina and remind her that I brought her from the village to the city, taught her how to use her visa hole to make money. What was she doing in the village? Asha was in it. Layman for a token.
I'm sorry, Mama J, but you of all people should have known that Posh never liked you, even though you guys are cousins.
I know. I don't give a damn. No, I don't give a damn. You know why? Because I know in her next 100 years to come, she can never stand where I am standing. She can't even do what I have done.
Mama, she can't even eat where you eat.
I know. That is why she's been indirectly fighting me secretly. But I do shake it off.
The truth is, if you guys asked me, I would say that, you see that Jackie is the one misleading that girl.
Thank you. You just said my mind. Whatever is happening now was engineered by Jackie.
Yes.
I know all that. I have my eyes on everybody. I know. That is why I am impatiently waiting for any of them to cross my path.
Look at small Uju. Ordinary Uju. Me, I was so shocked when she picked up her bag and left.
I'm also shocked. That is to tell you that there's been meeting upon meeting behind our back.
Jimmy, you are very correct. You are 100% correct. Hey!
You think I don't know? I was waiting for it to unfold. Calm down. Just calm down. Imani hena wawa. Otu. Dini mawa. Paulina. Jackie. Uju. Kaiwan.
Toast to the good life.
Yes,
babe. And toast to our freedom.
And more connections. More 7 million naira bank halas.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
This is so good. I mean, it feels so good to be free from that demon that calls herself Elizabeth.
You know it.
Please have a seat.
My girl, you gave it to her hot.
Baby, say what? Look my face like this smile.
You know, you just
See, see me, sir. I don't get Jesus for my life.
I
dey vex.
You dey vex.
No,
Tell her, make she calm down. No, babes. No, you need to dey vex, they go.
My sister, my name na Posh without break. I'm invisible.
Oh, I believe you.
Yeah.
Poshito.
I go give her back.
I am dead.
Thank you, madam. Your head dey there. Let us see.
Auntie Monique refused to tell me what the problem is.
I know what the problem is.
You do? Tell me about it.
They are dragging a man.
What? Dragging a man?
I overheard them quarreling and cursing each other over the phone.
So because of a man? This is bad.
Indeed, very bad.
Do you know the man?
How on earth would I know the man?
We need to do something before it's too late.
Not necessary.
Why?
Because it's too late already. They now hate each other.
Too bad. How can two sisters be quarreling over a man?
You have crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister. I must deal with you. You have got more than you can chew. Face to face, we go fight up to the end. Bumper to bumper, mamba. The battle line is strong. The war has just started. You are my enemy from now. No mercy, we are no more because of what you are. No mercy, we are no more.
Yes, Elizabeth. Yes, I called you.
Cousins, sisters, that we're proud of. No mercy, no mercy, no.
I called you because of this land. What about the land? I want us to sell the land and share the money.
Excuse me?
You're quite excused, Elizabeth.
Is this why you called my line?
Exactly. I'm no longer interested in this land.
Then back off. And don't you ever try to die my line again.
Oh well. Then I'll have to sell the land behind you.
Are you daring me?
Take a good look at my face, Elizabeth. Does it look like I'm here to play games? I am not daring you. I just stated a fact.
Then go ahead and sell the land if you can.
Watch me do it, Elizabeth.
I'm waiting.
Wait, Posh. Are you going to allow this thing to walk away? Just like that?
What else can she do?
Oh, you shut up.
Oh, shut up, you slut.
Nonsense. Mother sluts.
Your papa, father. Your papa left me ash.
Posh.
Your papa. Follow.
You are nothing but a local
What are you good at?
Go kill yourself.
Guinea fowl like
Posh,
you.
I hope for your own sake that you are not going to let this local guinea fowl get away with this.
Look at this local government chick. Akokwa West. Oh, please let me hear.
Akuna gagas.
Look at.
You are a mad woman.
Nana kuna zana in Poptana village. I gave you lies.
If I run enter you.
What will you do?
Jackie, you know
What?
what I say?
Oh, fuck
class.
Empty vessels make the loudest noise.
I know it, baby.
But I go beat that noise come out from where you did.
You know it, baby.
Auntie, the craze.
Auntie.
You the craze.
the land.
I will sell it.
The
Let me see
land.
what you will do.
Dare me.
Let me see what you will do.
Nga wagon I be done babanya bakuna before you. Animalistic animal.
Classless, Elizabeth.
Oh my friend, go and rest.
You are so classless.
Where have you been if not for me? Jackie Jackknife. Have you forgotten where I picked you from?
How no, Elizabeth?
I washed you. I begged you.
Not
Look,
Jackie
look,
Jackknife.
oh my friend, shut up.
I am now
I met
Jack
you in Gagas where you were doing foursome. Jackie foursome. Jackie, no, not meant to be Jack. Foursome. Have you ever made money before I picked you?
Oh, please get lost.
I paid you your first million.
Do you know the meaning of growth?
Oh my friend.
Do you know the meaning of growth? Can you define it?
Look at you.
Define growth.
Look at you.
When you refuse to grow, you are
Look
so
at you.
classless.
Auntie Eliza, buy your matchbox key.
One man, Auntie Eliza, hear this land.
Enter your matchbox and get out of
news.
Auntie,
Hear this land.
I go sell am, eh? Sell the sound.
I'll forget that Posh is my cousin if she tempers with that land. Though I know she can sell it.
Tell me, why wouldn't she sell it? You have the papers. She also has the papers. So tell me, why won't she sell it?
I swear by my late grandfather's grave, if she dares, I will kill her. Believe me when I say this.
Mama J.
Welcome, girl.
Sit.
Sit down. Someone on her face name like this.
I summoned you for a purpose.
Okay. What is it?
You know our land. The land my cousin and I bought at the GRA. She wants to sell it.
How? Why now? Why would she suggest such a thing? Okay, fine. Even if you people want to sell the land, at least it's not now.
Exactly my thoughts. That land is in a very good site. Give it 5 years from now, that land will be gold. You need to chill. Come on.
See, Mama. She's your sister. You have to talk to her. I believe all these things that are just happening is just misconception.
What are you saying as if you don't know her? Does she listen to anybody? Except that useless friend of hers called Jackie that's misleading her.
Well, you all know the story. How I brought her to the city, brushed her, made her who she is. Now she's a big girl. The only way to exhibit her big girlism is on me. Moi, Liz J.
Honestly, Mama J, I don't believe that what your cousin is doing. She's acting with her right senses. I don't believe that. I believe whatever she's doing, Jackie is the one telling her what to do and what not to do, where to go and where not to go.
Yes, Jackie is the one telling her what to do, but she's not a child. She's not a baby.
So, Mama, tell me what to do and consider it done.
Oh yeah? We got you, Mama. We got you.
Mama, you don't need to worry. She not rich. And small girl will still the bath like this. What did she see? And where she don't go?
Not rich.
They're not rich. They don't even bath. They never bath well.
You know what? You worry too much. Device no ene mogro. Oyingarate.
The Mama J. The Mama J. Now you're talking. Now you're talking.
Can you imagine speaking of yesterday?
Hey.
Like, she won't pass through.
She said she don't pepper stew. Everywhere don't stew for her. She don't arrive. Who she be? She never even bath well.
Calm down.
Ah.
You have crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister. I must deal with you. You have got more than you can chew. Face to face, we go fight up to the end. Bumper to bumper, mamba. The battle line is drawn. The war has just started. You are my enemy from now. No mercy. We are no more because of what you are. No mercy. We are no more blood because of what? No mercy. We are no more blood. Cousins, sisters that we're proud of. No mercy. No mercy. We are no more blood. You have grown weak. You want to take what belongs to me. but that cannot happen. I was in this game before you enter. I am Mama J, after me, na me. I must show you, na me be the master. Face me, I face you, one-on-one, I no go run. Do me, I do you, one-on-one, now you go cry. The war is just starting, I never start at all. If you see my true color, the malo number the master. Face me, I face you, one-on-one, I no go run. Do me, I do you, one-on-one, now you go cry. Best cousin sisters, come to what's the name, yeah. No mercy, we are no more because of what you are, yeah. No mercy, we are no more blood because of.
I'm sorry I had a flat tire.
Oh, stop. Look at what you're saying. A big boy like you with flat tires?
Come on, it's natural. Everyone can have a flat tire.
No. Everyone cannot have a flat tire. If you change your tires often, you can't. That's by the way, though.
Yeah, you asked to see me.
Don't pretend you don't know why I called.
If I know why you called me, I won't be asking the reason you called me.
She hasn't told you anything?
Who?
Your girlfriend, my cousin. We have issues. So don't tell me she hasn't told you that we have issues.
No, she hasn't told me nothing.
Very well then. You'll go back to her and ask her what the problem is. Let it not look like I am gossiping her. Are you okay?
Well, I'm just trying to be fine, thinking of what you said and wondering why you don't want to tell me, why you prefer me going to ask her and
You don't need to feel bad about that. I wanted to come from her. Let it not look like I'm gossiping her. No. I wouldn't want to do that.
Okay. It's okay.
She could tell you, but if she refuses to tell, call me.
It's fine. Is that all you called me for?
That's all. And about your tire, I will do something for that.
This is hookup business. Mama J and her guests on the hookup. Oh my God, sweet, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls, classic girls, they are ready for hookup. Call Mama J to avoid problems. But baby, baby. Push baby, baby, baby. Push baby, baby. Push baby, baby, baby. I guess you're ready for the hookup. The men are waiting for you. I know we're loaded, but no one goes out without my consent. Mama J, 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 Mama J. Iba, Mama J, J, J. And put your ball on your wall. Mama J, Mama J, I'm a lazy.
Hey. Is your sister around?
Yes, she's freshening up.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, darling. How you doing? Gosh, you look stunning.
All for you, baby.
Please have a seat. So how are you?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Great.
So, I stopped by to ask you something, if you don't mind.
What is it?
Do you have any problem with your cousin?
Did she say anything to you?
Not really. I'm just wondering because I've not been seeing you guys together, unlike before, and you barely talk about her.
Well, we don't have a problem. I mean, we're fine. As a matter of fact, I was just coming from her house. We're good.
Are you lying to me?
Did you hear something somewhere? Or did she say anything to you?
No, like I said, I'm just wondering because you barely talk about her. And unlike you, you know, I like you guys vibe together, so...
We are fine. There is nothing wrong between my cousin and I, but thanks for the concern. We're good.
Okay. Alright, that's fine.
What do you have here? There's something on your shirt.
Oh.
Yes, this...
Okay, I think my hair or something. Yeah, hello? Where are you at? Okay, I will like to see you. Okay, alright. Bye.
Mama JJ, Mama JJ, Mama JJ, Mama JJ. This is hook up. Mama J and her guest on the hook up. Oh my God, sweet, beautiful girls. Oh, Mama J girls, classic girls, they're ready for hook up. Oh Mama J, to avoid problems. Push baby, push baby, push baby, push baby.
Hi. What's going on?
She didn't tell you?
Well, I asked her and she said you guys are cool. So I'm a bit confused.
I know she won't tell you.
So then tell me, open up, tell me what's going on.
Well, your posh slept with my boyfriend for money.
What?
The first time was 5 million naira. The second time, 7 million naira.
Oh no, you can't be saying this. Posh can never do a thing like that.
You really do not know the Posh you're dealing with. Dubem, advise her to stay clear my land. Because if I start dealing with her, I'll forget that she's my cousin's sister. Warn her.
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
You can ask her.
Guess you're ready for the hookah. The men are waiting for you. I know we're lucky, but no one goes out without my consent. Mama J, Mama J. Mama J, and then put your ball on your wall. Mama J, Mama J. I'm a lazy. Mama J, Mama J. Mama J, Mama J, This war will be deadly. Don't fight yourself. Best cousins, sisters, turn towards the enemy. No mercy, we are no more because of what you are. No mercy, we are no more blood because of what? No mercy, we are no more blood. They got the two cousins, sisters that we are proud of. No mercy, we are no more blood. You have crossed my path. You have crossed the boundary, sister. I must deal with you. You have got more than you can chew. Face to face, we go fight up to the end. Bumper to bumper, mamba. The battle line is strong. The war has just started. You are my enemy from now. No mercy, we are no more because of what you are.
What's going on? Why is he not taking my calls?
Because of what? No mercy.
Wait a minute.
Cousins, sisters, that we're proud of.
I hope Auntie did not say anything to him. Because if she did...
You have grown weak. You want to take what belongs to me. But that cannot happen. I was in this game before you enter. I am Mama J. After me, Nami. I must show you. Nami be the master. Face me, I face you. One on one, I no go wrong. Do me, I do you. One on one, now you go cry. The war is just starting. I never start a call. If you see my true color,
what's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that?
Babe, now you go cry. Best cousin,
can you please tell me what's going on?
Tell you what? Tell you what? What do you want me to tell you?
Just tell... Babe, what is it? What is wrong? What's going on?
Nothing.
Listen, you can't tell me nothing. I called you all through the night, you didn't take my calls, and here you are acting all funny and you said nothing is wrong.
Why were you calling me?
Excuse me, was that question for me?
Oh yes. Why were you calling me? And why should I pick the call of a prostitute?
I beg your pardon. What's that supposed to mean, babe?
Oh, say please. I was just about to head out. If you don't mind, leave my house. I don't have any business with you. Asking me a silly question. Slow poison, always pretending like she doesn't know what she's doing. Nonsense.
Did my cousin say anything to you?
Oh yeah, she told me. She told me who you are. A prostitute, and that...
Jimmy, please, stop using that word on me. I am not a prostitute.
Oh, really? Sister Mary, Ave Maria, right? Well, you tell me who you are. You were paid 5 million naira, 7 million naira for hookup. Who are you? You're not a prostitute. You can't leave my house, please. Take this.
Just wait, please.
Hey, look, I don't want to push you, right? Respect yourself now and leave my house. Respect yourself and leave my house now.
That's not what you think. Jubel, please, can you just listen to me?
Mama JJ, Mama JJ, Mama JJ, Mama JJ.
But you're a prostitute.
You said what?
You heard me. What do you want to do? In my house? Choli Jenga?
Listen to me and listen good. You have just drawn the battle line. I'll deal with you.
My friend, get your
Elizabeth,
smelling
I will
pussy
deal
out
with
here. Get your smelling pussy out of my house. Slut.
This fight is dangerous. Don't fight. This war will be deadly. Don't fight yourself. Best cousins, sisters, turn to worst enemy. No mercy. Because of what you are. No mercy. We are no more blood. Because of what? No mercy. We are no more blood. They got the two cousins, sisters that we are proud of. No mercy. No mercy. No more blood.
Babes, calm down first. Calm down. I need to understand something. Are you sure Mama J actually said that to him?
Are you being serious right now? Didn't you hear what I said before? This guy mentioned 5 million and 7 million naira respectively. Where did he hear that from? The air? Come on.
Honestly, Mama J is not a good woman. Why is she like this?
Are you doubting her? You people still believe she's a good woman. I've always known she's not up to any good. That woman is evil, pure evil.
I swear what I am going to do to Mama J, she would not like it. What I will do to that woman, even if it takes the last drop of my blood, I will squeeze life out of her.
What I still don't understand is what concerns Dubem in this issue.
You know, that's too low. Like if she goes lower than this, she will dig out coal. Girl, I seriously understand how you feel. I need to get something now. How do you intend to handle this?
Exactly why I called you girls. Dubem would not take my calls. He wouldn't want to hear from me. I don't even know what else to do.
What do you expect? He's hurt. It needs time to heal.
Of course. Me, I shall hate that woman. That woman, Mama J.
Mama J is really taking this whole thing too far. Posh, is there something you're not telling us?
Something like what?
You and Mama J that we don't know?
Come on, girls. The only thing that happened here is what you and I know. Nothing else happened.
In that case, you really need to be very careful. Very, very careful.
Exactly what I've been singing into her ears about that woman. You need to be very careful. But she kept saying that Mama J is she's not that bad. She's just temperamental. She can't hurt a bed. Now she's hurting you where it hurts most. And you are feeling the pain.
You know, to think that I actually sacrificed everything for this woman. To think that I have loved this woman from... I can't even explain.
They love people. No, they love her. Don't wake up. Until they serve you breakfast for graveyard, your eye will open. Love will no one love.
Who are you again? If I go into your room. Sister, please. Go back!
Wait, oh. This Elizabeth really get God shot.
I
tell you.
That is if I don't sell that land by tomorrow. She's here talking about mountain signpost. She go hear from me. It be like say she dey craze. Ha!
She get mind.
Imagine the nonsense.
It's a God for me. Stupid woman.
Imagine the nonsense. Look at how, because she wear canopy come here. You need start shirt, stand. Make rain fall, make rain beat her. Now let me see that if that shirt will not fall on her body.
Very local Eliza.
Imagine the gods.
Who they open gates for himself?
I run the open gates for Eliza now. I run. I don't blame her. And I want him.
Paulina. Oh no, I think for that time, when the samples. See how she be, they talk out.
Resemble our ancestors.